Hi friends, welcome to Learn Linux channel. In this video, we will learn how to hack Android using Metasploit. So first of all, I will say before you will hack any Android device or any network, so you must learn how this concept are working. You need to watch this video. After you can simply type the commands to hack any device that is not useful for your life, and you don't have any knowledge about that. So first of all, you basic understand about the different networking concept, then only you can use this hacking method. So first of all, I show how LAN network works. So LAN network means local area network. This network can access only within the local area network. For example, the intermediate switch is connected to the 10 PCs means, so this PC can access through the different PC in the same network. So these are the one network. This switch connected to the some servers and 5 PCs. So you can access this PC into this PC. So using the router. So the router intermediate router can access your different LAN network computers. So this is the LAN network. Next of all, WAN network. WAN network means you can connect the different network with intermediate person called the router. This router can help you to connect the different network. So what is the purpose of you connect to the different network means? So some example I will take. So in your branch, any company, some branches are there. So example, Wipro means I will take Wipro. This company have the multiple branches. So example for Chennai and Hyderabad. So intermediate any project is there in that company means. So any sharing files that can be accessed through the different countries. So that purpose you can use the intermediate router can use for the communicating the Hyderabad to Chennai. So this communication is helpful for your WAN network, so to sharing the files and any resources. Next of all, I will say that what is NAT. NAT is a very important concept in router and port forwarding concept. So NAT means network address translation. So before you need to know port forwarding, this is the main concept for the port forwarding and different networkings. So router can do many useful things. For example, the router can use it to find the shortest path between the source and the destinations. This is the one function router. So the another is for this router can use it to connect the different networks. So that is the another function. So third function is the main function for NAT, network address translation. So internally in our router, the logically NAT protocol is assigned. So this NAT protocol, what this purpose is, so different computers are connected to the router means the different computers have only the private network only. So this private network directly cannot access the internet. So this you can access the any in your laptop to internet. So you must convert your private IP into private IP, convert your private IP into the public IP, then only you can access the internet. So that job is do with your router. So router internal NAT protocol is used to convert your PC private IP into the public IP. So this is the main function used for the router. Next of all, NGROC port forwarding. So I will later discuss how to NGROC work. Router table. So you can using the port forwarding to hack the public Android devices or any devices. You can hack any private device means you don't use the port forwarding method. I will later show how to port forward it using the NGROC. You have any router means you can configure in your router with different ports for your convenience. So that is another method for the port forwarding. This is the port forwarding how really works means. For example, PCA is used to search for the web server means you can use destination IP of the server. So here the service provider. server, web server. Here the 10.0.0.25. so here is the for the file server. So here for the email server, first PCA access the web browser web service main. It will assign the destination IP with the port number, some port number. So this port number is important to connect the different router with the identity. So if you are not giving the port 80, means this destination is having in 3 servers, so this network is confused. So you can use the port number 80, then only not confused, and forward this packet correctly to the destination server. So this is the port forwarding. So I will show how to hack a LAN network firstly. So you, before hack any devices, you must start the PostgreSQL status. You can use sudo service PostgreSQL start. This is the main command to start your PostgreSQL database. That database only make the reverse connection, and after the gaining the file from the victim mobile. First of all, you start the PostgreSQL service. Okay, once next you will type the command called sudo / user / bin / msfvenom. So in this user fold you have the bin folder. So in bin folder you have the msfvenom. That file only execute these commands. So -p means payload. So you can, in networking you can actually say payload. So what purpose you can make the payload, means I use the 100. You can use Windows or Linux, whatever maybe. So I will use to hack the 100, means I will type the 100 meter reverse TCP. So this connection is established. When you enter the commands, the APK file is created. That payload you must send through the WhatsApp message or email, anything, whatever may be. So I will use the variable /www/html to hack.apk. That file I will access my internet. So I will use this where / this is the local where /www/html means local area network only can access this in your file only access the local devices. So you can only use this command for the local device only. You can access your front mobiles, means you can use the port forwarding method. So I will tell in this video only for the local device only. So after these commands you can select the lhost. Lhost means your IP address of your computer. So example, I will show my IP address. For example, sudo ifconfig config. So I will hit enter. It will ask for the password. I will after show. I will first of all I will zoom it. This is my local area network, Wi-Fi network 192.168.43.241. This IP can be pasted here, lhost. You can choose the port number with different. You can choose the 4444 that port, or you can choose whatever you choose, that is okay. I will choose where my file is stored, means I will store my file with the where locations, where folder, www folder, html folder with a hack.apk. I will once hit the enter, it will make the apk file. So payload. So I created my payload, so I will discard it. So first of all I will clear. After you make the payload, you must type the command called msfconsole-q. This will take some times. So you can access it through you can access this APK file through your web browser, means you can start the Apache server also. So I service means sudo service CRVAC service start service Apache to ch Apache to start start, hit enter. This will to start this your Apache server. So first of all you verify your connection is established or not. So connection to the MS Venom, connection time PostgreSQL. So successfully start my connection. Before you connect, open this MS Venom console, you must type the sudo service PostgreSQL start. So that only connection is established. After use this, you can use the command called use exploit / multi-handler. This multi-handler used only for Windows and Android hacking. So hit enter. This will payload is generic shell reverse TCP. Connection is configuring. So after you can type the payload. Which payload you can establish the reverse connection means I use the Android payload to establish the reverse connection TCP. So after I will set the local IP. Before you give whatever in your payload, that IP you can must type here. So you are enter this before I will show ifconfig. This IP only you can give whatever may be in your system. So hit enter. This will set. So same adhe mari you can give the same port number before you given for the payload. So after I will exploit simply exploit, hit enter. This will start at the reverse TCP handler on this IP. You can access through your web browser, means you can copy or you type copy this. So I will install in my browser, means already. So here you will don't confuse it. I will already installed this APK file. So first beginning user means you will copy this URL, control C plus copy. You will send this IP address with your local area network devices or your front mobile. So for example I will use it in my PC itself. So after typing your IP address, you give slash whatever APK you create, that name will be you use. I create my APK with hack3.apk, HACK, hack3.apk. So hit enter means it will automatically download. This is your file name. Whenever you create the payload, this file name is used. So hit enter means this will automatically create download. So here shows that hack3.apk shown in your folder. This is my APK folder. Only you can send this copy and send this IP address for the victim mobile, or you can change this IP address using Bitly. After establishing the Meterpreter session, you can perform the different commands. For example, you can simply type help. Help means it will show the different commands you can type. For example, I will show I will use screenshot control CV. So it will screenshot the Android host. So I will use this SMS. So dump SMS, I will simply use the dump SMS. This command is used to dump the SMS of the victim mobile. So this will show the save this SMS with your PC. I will paste it and enter. All saved SMS will be stored in your PC. So you can gain okay. Once I will use different commands. For example, you can take the snapshot for that particular mobile means you can use web snap. So or else you can use web stream means you can simply type web stream, control C V enter. I will use web stream underscore stream. It will automatically open the web browser and start streaming. For I will show my mobile, so it will automatically open. So I will zoom out and I will show you. So this is my PC. How can access my camera of my mobile? Okay friends, I will terminate this session. After I will enter, I control Z. You can ask background session is on or not. I will simply enter AY. So next you will also use this command app underscore install. This command will show, so install the particular vector mobile with a different APK file. You can simply type app APK app install after you type some APK file. So also you can use the app.list. This app.list command show whatever the application victim installed this mobile. So you can use app.uninstall means what application you like to uninstall for that particular person means you can simply type app uninstall. Here you can use this app uninstall and the file, which file you can uninstall. Simply type then uninstall for that particular person mobile. Okay friends, I will show my dump SMS. Using dump underscore SMS means this I have the 953 SMS in my mobile. So I will open and I will show you. First of all, I will clear this terminal. So ls I will show this content of this. So I will. So here you will see SMS/dump. So I will copy this file and using cat command you can view this all content. Control V. So these are my incoming messages from different Vodafones. Okay, these are my incoming and outgoing messages are received in my mobile. You can access any mobile in same network only. So this is only for the same local network. You cannot use for the different network under different friends. Okay friends, I will conclude this. Thank you friends. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Please support me.